Hey there, friends! If you have been feeling lost in the world of financial markets, constantly losing money and not sure which strategy actually works to make profits without being too complicated, then stick around for the next 10 minutes and I'll guide you through it. Let's start by picking any chart you're interested in trading. For example, I've chosen the Solana currency on a 15-minute time frame. Now let's add the L1 John Anderson Standard Error Bands indicator to our chart from the indicator section. Once the indicator is added, it'll appear on your chart with a colorful band and signals that indicate when to enter trades. But before we dive into trading with it, let's go to its settings and make some tweaks to optimize it. Now that you have optimized the indicator settings, you should be getting more accurate buy and sell signals. But wait, there's a potential downside to relying solely on this indicator. It can sometimes give signals that go against the overall market trend. But don't fret, I'm here to guide you through building a trading strategy that could help you make profits. I recommend using another great indicator called Trend Strength over Time. You can add it to your chart from the indicator section. Once you have added the second indicator to your chart, head over to its settings and customize its style to make it more effective for your trading needs. With both indicators working together, you'll have a more comprehensive view of the market and be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Now let's talk about our trusty sidekick, the Tsot indicator. This little gem can help you figure out which way the market is trending. Here's how it works. If the green line is above the indicator's baseline, it's a sign of bullish momentum in the market. On the other hand, if the red line is below the baseline, it's a signal of bearish momentum. But wait, there's more. If the indicator line turns blue, it means the market trend is unclear and you should avoid trading. So with these signals at your disposal, you'll be able to ride the market waves and potentially profit from your trades. Let's see how it all comes together. Alright, now let's talk about how to execute a buy trade. First things first, you'll want to wait patiently for a buy signal from the indicator. Once you've got that, check to make sure the trend strength indicator is also giving you the green light. If both of those are lined up, you're good to go and can open a buy order. But hold on a sec, there's one more thing to consider before you dive in. You'll want to set a stop loss for your trade, which you can do using the lower band of the John Anderson indicator. And when the time comes to exit the trade, remember to keep your risk to reward ratio in mind. Aim for a 1-to-2 ratio. That means for every dollar you risk, you should aim to make $2 in profit. Now that we have got the buy trade down pat, let's switch gears and talk about the rules for a short trade. First off, be on the lookout for a sell signal. Once you see it, check in with the trend strength indicator to confirm. If everything looks good, you can open a sell order. But don't get ahead of yourself. It's important to set a stop loss for your trade. You can use the upper band of the John Anderson indicator for this. And when it's time to call it quits on the trade, aim for a 1-to-2 ratio. That means for every dollar you risk, you should aim to make $2 in profit. With these two straightforward rules under your belt, you'll notice that all of your trades will be aligned with the market trend. This means you won't be making any trades in a ranging market, which can lead to fewer losses overall. But if you're curious about how to make even more profit on each trade, then you definitely need to check out this recommended video.